breakthroughs in HIV treatment or AIDS treatment is brought about by mostly basic research, especially structural biology. What do I mean? HIV has a protease. For HIV virus to mature, to infect the next host cell in the immune system, HIV must have a protease functional to cleave several other proteins within the cell, within the host cell. So the protease is a homodimer. It has two molecules coming together symmetrically with a huge cavity in the middle. So once we elucidate, the structure, the three-dimensional structure of the HIV protease was elucidated 21 years ago in 1989 by two crystallographers. What you can understand is they have a faithful, a very precisely understanding of how the structure of this protein, meaning they understand where each atom is located, where each amino acid is located. They understand how the enzyme works. By doing so, they were able to design molecular drugs that target the active site of HIV protease. So that also was the beginning of structure-based drug design. So let me not go too far. I mentioned my profession is to give you rough, again, is to let you understand, what I'm working on, related to my experience. So if I came back in 2006, in my field, structural biology, I would say I was right at the pinnacle of my career, working on a few ambitious projects, getting major stories reported. So our patents are being translated into molecular medicine against cancer and other diseases. So I was enjoying my life as much as you can imagine in terms of science. And my lab I had 22 full-time employees, 14 PhD students, 14 postdoctoral fellows, 6 PhD students, and 2 technicians. My research was supported by 6 NIH R01 grants, and my annual budget was roughly $2.5 million US. So I really had, to tell you this is really to tell you, I really had no reason to come back to China if it were only for research. And really, people couldn't understand why I would give up this extremely enticing research environment at Princeton. And my lab was the biggest in my department at Princeton, molecular biology, occupying an entire floor of 4,500 square feet. And my budget